Hi, this is Susan Fox, and this is Julia Child. It was named for the famous chef Julia Child, and she loved the creamy butter gold color of this rose. And I wanted to show you how it might look in your garden. From the beginning of bloom, it blooms all season long with sprays of lovely yellow roses. And it starts out blooming with a darker buttercream golden yellow, and it lightens to just a lighter yellow, as you can see. But it has beautiful foliage, it's naturally disease resistant, and it's a very easy care rose. So I highly recommend Julia Child. And as you can see, look, it's very disease resistant, and I put this rose in 2011, and we've had some very difficult winters, and as you can see, it's still here. And one of the pictures I took of it won some awards, so it also is great if you are into photography. So this is how Julia Child would look in your garden, and you can trust it to be easy care, disease resistant, and it has a beautiful spicy fragrance. So this is the Floribunda Julia Child. Over and out, and thanks for watching. Susan Fox of Kaga's Garden.